Dear artists, once again I am back with a new lesson of painting on canvas. Today we are going to make a painting of goddess Annapurna with acrylic colors and on canvas. The material required is a canvas. It can be stretch canvas and it can be canvas board also. We require some brushes, bigger brushes for big space and a small brush that is of 00 number or 0 number for the details on the painting, some acrylic colors, and colors which I am using in this painting are black, white, yellow ochre, red, lemon yellow and sapphire. For skin color, we'll be using 3 colors: white, yellow ochre and scarlet. White with more quantity, then less yellow ochre and lesser red color. When we'll mix together them, we'll get skin color. For details of the painting, we'll be using these 3D outliners. These are also called as embroidery liquid outliners. These are easily available in the market and you can shop, and these are with two different specifications. One is having a pointed nozzle and another one is having a bit thicker nozzle. But for this painting we require the thinner nozzle one, and if you don't get thinner nozzle one, you can change the nozzles of the both colors. And here I will recommend you to keep the colors downwards so that the air vacuum does not occur in these colors. You can keep them like this. And the colors which I am using here are golden, green, red, lemon yellow, white, blue and golden with thin nozzle and black. These are the colors which are used for detailing. Once again I am going to repeat the whole material which is required in this painting is a canvas of any size, then your 3D outliners. These are easily available. Once again I am repeating. Brushes, one brush for details and rest of the brushes for filling the spaces in the canvas, and acrylic colors. This is the whole material required for completion of this painting. The visual of this painting will look like Tanjore painting, but this is not original Tanjore painting, but it will look like Tanjore painting. Now I am going to show you step by step procedure of completion of this painting. Hope you like this and try at home. It is good to spend well time in this difficult time. Stay blessed, stay safe.